So, welcome back to yet another video. I'm super stoked about this video. Today I'm going to be doing a fall inspired eye tutorial. I actually did this look and I posted it on my Instagram page. If you all have not checked out my Instagram, please check it out. The handle will be down here. It also is in the description box. I post a lot of things. I usually post once a day for sure, sometimes twice a day, and usually it's like my eye look for the day. Anyways, I posted this eye look on my Instagram a few days ago. I really love the way it turned out. It is a perfect fall-esque inspired look, and I really want to just film it for you guys today. So without further ado, please be sure to go ahead and stick a like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that little red box. That would be great because I want to hit my goal of 1,500 by Christmas is my goal. So if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Alright, so I'm going to quit talking and we're just going to dive straight into this eye look. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. I will be using 3 palettes today. That sounds crazy, but I'm going to be using my NYX Swear By It palette, my Zulu by Juvia's Place, and then the Laura Lee little palette we got in our BoxyCharm. So I have not used this Swear By It palette very much in many looks, so I'm excited to kind of use it a little bit today. So my eye's already primed, set with powder, all that fun stuff, so we're just going to dive right in. I am going to be going in with the Zulu palette first. I will be using this orange shade in the top corner here, and I'm just going in with a fluffy blending brush. This eye look is going to be very blown out type of a look. So this orange I am taking way high onto my brow bone, and then I will be dragging that down onto my lower lash line quite a bit. Okay, so now that that is really blended out well, we are going to move on into the Swear By It palette, and we are going to be going into this deep brown shade right here. These shades are not named, so I can't even begin to tell you what it is. And I'm going to be going in with this this e.l.f. It's called an eye crease brush. It's just a densely packed brush. And I'm going to be concentrating this onto the outer part, outer V of the eye, and dragging that in just a little bit. Alright, now we are going to just go in with some concealer and go ahead and cut the crease. So now I'm just going to take some white eyeshadow and set that concealer down. Alright, so now we are going to dive into the Laura Lee palette, and we're going to take this orange shade called Drinks, and we are just going to take this angled precision shader brush. It's the Luxie 239. I'm just going to take that and pack that right in here next to the brown shade. And then we're going to go back into this Juvia's Place palette and go into that yellow. And then I'm just going to work this yellow. I'm going to kind of blow it out and bring it all the way down my lower lash line here. So you just kind of want to bring that over to meet up with that orange. Then I'm going to retake a little bit of that. So this is an all matte look. I used no shimmers in this look at all. And I'm just going to retake that blending brush I used and kind of just make sure everything is blended out. So I'm just going to go in with my favorite mascaras at the moment, which is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang and the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. What I've been doing is put on 2 coats of this and then 1 coat of this. That way I get my volume and my length. So I'm going to do that real quick and I'll be right back, guys. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you liked it. I am going to finish up the look by going in with my Ofra liquid lipstick and Miami Fever. I just got this shade in my makeup haul and I've been wearing it like non-stop. Alrighty, so that is with the Ofra liquid lipstick on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I highly recommend Ofra liquid lipsticks. They became my new favorite, and the packaging, the new packaging is just so pretty. So, yeah, leave me a comment below if you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. Would you like me to make more fall-esque inspired tutorial looks? I would be happy to. Yeah, so without further ado, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video. Don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.